Well, a bit of a scare at one of our national parks. A tourist sent to the hospital after being bit by a rabid bat. This latest incident adding to a nationwide warning from health officials. But as Kelly Beeson explains, the bats may actually be doing a lot more good than harm.
Most of us find them creepy, often associated with movies and vampires. But in the ecosystem, bats are known as nature's pest controllers.
I do see bats flying around at night, but I'm not afraid of them. I mean, they're part of the natural environment.
But according to some health officials, maybe she should be afraid, or at least concerned, as public health departments across the country issue warnings on the dangers of rabid bats this time of year.
The summer, and especially August, are the most important months for people to get exposed to bats. This year alone, we've already had to recommend rabies preventive treatment for 400 people.
And that's contrary to what we know about the creatures. Bats are our creepy little friends, controlling the insect population by feasting on millions of bugs and pests. And according to the USDA, bats save farmers more than $1 billion a year in crop damage and pesticide costs. But there is reason for concern.
We had one situation where a couple was in bed. The husband looked over at the wife, and there was a bat actually biting her on the lip, and she was fast asleep, and she didn't even know it had happened.
That's because the sneaky creatures can get into the smallest of holes in walls and attics. Health officials from California to Maine warning to keep doors and windows closed this time of year. Even the tiniest bite or scratch from a rabid bat can be deadly if left untreated.
If a person is exposed to rabies, there is certainly a chance they will develop the illness rabies that affects their brain. And once the symptoms of rabies start, it's estimated to be about 99% fatal.
According to the CDC, rabid bats are the leading cause of rabies in the U.S., accounting for 70% of people who get infected. And dozens of rabid bat sightings have been reported in Illinois, South Carolina, and Colorado, where one tourist may have missed the warnings. Last month, while visiting Keystone, Colorado, he was bitten on the forearm by a bat that later tested positive for rabies.
We don't want people to be afraid. We just want people to know that when you have a bat encounter, there are many questions as to whether a person may have been exposed.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.